university where academic excellence meets dedicated support and a community that's invested in helping you shape your future. When you choose Grand Canyon University, you're choosing a path you'll never walk alone. Your journey begins before you even step on campus, with your university admissions counselor guiding you every step of the way. So when you arrive, you can dive straight into everything GCU has to offer. Whether you're growing your faith through Bible study, life group, and weekly chapel, or engaging in hands-on academic experiences through our Lopes Live Labs that can lead to better outcomes with employers, we're here to help you pave the way for your future. Tap into our Career Center for personalized support in finding internship and job opportunities, and work with student services counselors to explore how you can potentially graduate faster with less debt. Whatever you need, we're focused on making sure you find it, because here, every moment is part of something bigger. Choosing GCU is just the beginning. Take the next step and become a Lope today.